Understanding Work Visa. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into the world of phrases, and our spotlight is on Work Visa. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means, why it's important, and how it's used in daily conversations. Let's dissect the term, shall we? Work. This is an activity involving mental or physical effort done in order to achieve a result. In most cases, it refers to what someone does to earn money. Visa. A visa is an official document or a stamp put in someone's passport that allows them to enter, leave, or stay for a period in a country. When combined, Work Visa refers to a specific type of visa that allows a person to work in a country where they don't hold citizenship. Imagine you're from country A, but you find a job opportunity in country B before you pack your bags and start working. Country B needs to ensure you're allowed to be there and work legally. That's where the Work Visa comes in. Countries use work visas to 1. Regulate and control the entry and stay of foreigners. 2. Protect local job markets by ensuring foreign workers don't take jobs that local residents could fill. 3. Ensure taxes and labor rights are maintained. When you work legally with a visa, the government can keep track of your income and ensure you have the right working conditions. To better grasp the term, let's see it in action. 1. Before moving to Canada, I had to apply for a work visa. 2. My work visa expires next year, so I need to renew it soon. 3. The company offered to sponsor my work visa if I accepted the job. Using it in sentences like these will not only improve your vocabulary but also help you sound more natural when discussing work-related travel. That wraps up our exploration of the term, work visa. Remember, it's all about permission to work in a foreign country. We hope this explanation shines a light on any confusion you might have had. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.